The Veterinary Medical Technology program at Nash Community College prepares students to work in veterinary clinics, performing everything from dental radiographs and cleanings to laboratory tests, surgical assisting, anesthesia, educating clients, and so much more. In this 5-semester curriculum, students receive lecture, laboratory, and real-world clinical-based learning from industry-tested instructors and community members. Students will learn to master skills such as animal anatomy, specimen collection, and small and large animal clinical practices. All coursework prepares students to take the national and state examinations administered by the American Association of Veterinary State Boards and the North Carolina Veterinary Medical Board. Successful students receive their Associates in Applied Science degree from Nash Community College. For more information about the Veterinary Technology program, visit nashcc.edu/VMT or call 252-451-8211.